track again tonight. A little more expensive, but here we are. Loaded back up, kind of last minute decision, kind of not. I kind of partially put it off all day, but like didn't put it off.
At the last second, Cooper's like, we're going.
Well, like I was working towards going, but I was still undecided, if that makes sense. And then last minute, I ripped the Band-Aid off, and here we are.
Here we are.
We're parked up next to this Mustang.
That you guys just saw before.
I was born like that. They looked at me when I was born and they were like, this baby is serious. Seriously ugly. Worst we've seen all day, ma'am.
No way.
They said. The doctor said.
Getting suited up?
I'm suited. I'm getting strapped in here.
What are you expecting to be different? What did we change?
Alpha changed the tunes.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's 5 settings like we talked about in yesterday's video or last video, and Alpha just kind of adjusted them all, where 5 is still the spiciest.
Cool.
So 5 is the hot tune-up, and we'll see what it does. We'll add from there. I was trying to convince him to make 5 like extreme, and like I'll work up to it.
Okay.
He wants me to start there and either have to work down or back up.
Okay.
We have different philosophies, and his has worked for, you know, years and years of him tuning.
So you should probably listen to his philosophy for sure.
Way too stubborn.
We all know that.
Oh, do we all know that?
Yeah.
That dig was unnecessary.
You even know that. You admit it yourself.
Yeah, but it hurts when someone else says it.
Maybe then don't be so stubborn.
It's like, I can call myself ugly, but when somebody else does it, them are fighting words.
Yeah.
I can call Luna an idiot, but when someone else does, I'm pissed.
Yeah. Well, I think they're cleaning the car up to the track, and hopefully we're ready to go soon. And we'll be on our way.
Are you showing them the sunset?
No. Sound right. That was weird. What was that?
It started to like break up.
It made a noise I've never heard before. It was like
Yeah, like it was breaking up.
Like really like deep. It was weird.
Yeah. I mean, it was fine on the brake, on the trans brake, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that sounded
normal. And then the second I let off, it was like...
Yeah, yeah.
Like it was eating marbles.
Yeah.
I gotta listen on the video and then look at the data log.
Okay. changing spark plugs.
Yep.
Hopefully that'll fix it.
It's always a good start. And on top of that, I stole them from Victor, so stolen spark plugs are the best spark plugs. It's just science.
Good point. It's definitely the lighting. That's just like weird. My camera
Making me look like holier than thou.
My camera just looks like hazy. I don't know. Very weird. So hoping that fixes your problem.
Oh, that's a good tech tip. Wow. The more you know. I'll add the little the more you know thing.
Film and
Way
throw
up,
this
way up.
starburst. Come on! Come on!
I hit my tooth so hard.
That was money! What the heck? Maybe you slow-mo that.
Ready?
One more. Nice!
Got it.
Redeemed ourselves.
So a while back I made this tool in a video,
Yeah.
and I think people don't realize that I actually use it almost all the time at the track.
Oh yeah, people love that tool.
Yeah, when people walk up and see it, they usually shake their head and walk away. But some people
No, I feel like
appreciate
people are always like, oh, that's so smart.
I actually use it all the time. It's really cool because like when you're tightening a spark plug or loosening one, like you go to like break it loose, you're really close to hitting the windshield with a hammer. You got like
Almost break windshield breaker, 9,000.
Oh yeah.
Look at the sunset. So cool. Going out for the second pass. It was going
10 mile an hour. Did it run fast?
I don't know, I'm bad at reading those things. 5-0 to the 8th, right?
It was pretty good 8th.
Yeah.
Pretty good 3:30, but I got out of it early because I got some oil on my windshield.
Ooh,
Yeah, so
what's that from?
good short track though. So happy with that.
I mean, it went down
Yeah.
way better than the one before.
Yeah, with that mile an hour, it was clearly going pretty fast, and then I lifted.
Yeah.
So it only went 148, but we'll look at the data, and the data will tell all.
Nice.
Sure did sound good going down through there.
It felt good.
No, it sounded very good.
Yes.
That's Cooper's up. I can hear it now. Oh
Yep.
yeah, it was great.
deal.
It sounded really good.
Yeah, I'm
Thank you,
glad
Sam.
it sounded better that time too, way better.
Yeah, it went down. We just
Oh,
got to
it had
figure out the
power all way
bugs.
through.
Yeah.
Yep, made some
Very
power.
good.
Yeah.
Sam approved.
Oh, I'm saying
Sam
that,
approved.
that thing had power all the way. Still had power left down at the end. Oh yeah.
For
Yes,
sure.
I think so.
Yep.
Right.
Good deal.
Good.
How you doing, Sam?
I'm doing great. How about?
That's what happened.
Well,
The
the
dipstick?
dipstick came out, and it got oil on my windshield because we're making a bunch of crankcase pressure.
As you can see. Wow. Is that what happened at Texas?
No, I've never had that happen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Different?
Look at that.
Yeah, ew. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Opposite of good.
Yep.
And they could probably die without hearing it again.
I was thinking I wasn't recording. This lighting is absolutely horrendous. I don't even know what to do about it.
That's okay. They can hear my sweet, sweet voice. So the man himself IP Alpha at Induction Performance gave me a new tune to put on this thing, so I'm gonna put a fresh tune-up in it. Should go a little bit faster. The oil came out of the dipstick, so I just zip tied the dipstick down. It happens. It is what it is. But I'm gonna put a fresh tune-up on this thing and hopefully go faster.
Let's do it.
He said he had the nitrous turning off.
In that last pass?
Yeah. How dare he? How dare you take my nitrous from me mid-pass?
Do you feel taken advantage of?
Yeah. I feel like my sweet, supple behind was molested.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I didn't know where I was going.
Yeah, that was too much.
You ever start a sentence and not know where you're going with it?
Yeah.
I do that all the
Just gotta
time.
wing it.
And then you're mid-sentence and you're like, well, this is where we're going, I guess. We're going to butt play.
Someone please tell me I'm a good wife for touching these nasty, oily paper towels and throwing them out for Coop. Hello.
Too slow?
What?
Didn't feel too slow?
No, it was a normal pass.
Yeah. All right, nice.
Yeah.
779. Same 8th mile there. Just a little bit better on the back half. Good deal.
Nice. That's
Yeah.
like a classic Camaro pass, right?
Yeah, I mean 779's fast.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that.
Good.
176. Yeah, I double bulbed and then I was like, I'm not even
I know,
gonna back
I was
up.
thinking that. I was like, you should have backed up so
I
you
know.
could like
I
bump it and
should've.
everything. But your reaction definitely.
Well, yeah, I mean,
I know.
I didn't start building boost till it turned green.
Yeah.
But I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I was thinking about backing up. It went 120, 120 again, 60 foot, like exact. So pretty good though.
Yeah.
501. It went identical passes basically.
Really?
It's crazy. Let me see the last one. Like 8th mile was like identical, but then I didn't, I ran it out all the way. So. Yeah, 120, 329, 328, 5017,
Oh my god.
5019,
Is that the same slip?
142, 142. And then this one was actually going a little bit faster in the 1,000 foot.
That's funny.
But yeah, they were super close.
Oh my god.
I'll take it.
Good job.
We got a lot of data now
Yeah.
on this new setup.
Nice.
So now we can keep spicing it up. Alpha is being very like gradual with it. Like, we had the old setup so figured out that he was just like,
Yeah.
whatever, he knew what he was doing. Now he wants to kind of like take it a little slow. Even though it's not a huge change, it's enough for him to want to just like slowly work into it.
Right.
So it is what it is. We'll load up and
You feel good about it for next week for the reunion race?
yeah, I
or
feel
are-
pretty happy with it. It felt great. So we'll see what we can learn from that data.
Are you gonna want to test it one more time, you think?
I don't know. Maybe I'll talk to Alpha and we'll figure that
Yeah.
out. But
Okay, cool.
The next day I ran into my buddy Clayton. I was like, hey, next time you're going to fly that little yellow Ripper, hit me up. I wanna go up for a flight. And he said, hey, I'm going to fly it right now. So without any warning or any preparation, I was thrown into the passenger seat of this unit. Flying around, this thing is so freaking cool. Makes me want a little plane, but I have no need or parking for one. So get that out of my mind real quick. Do not need a little plane. Tell myself that. We were flying for about 30 minutes. I had control of the plane for probably about 15 or so, I think. I don't know how much actual control I had, but you can fly from either the back or the front because it's for training. I attempted 2 landings very, very poorly. I would say about a 4 out of 10. We didn't die, so not fully, but I didn't have complete control, but I got to attempt a couple landings. Super sick. Huge thanks to Cleet. This thing's super awesome. So go check out the videos on his Carbon Cub. But cool little unit. So hopefully I get some more seat time in this thing. But yeah, so that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep it saucy. I'll see you next time.